Okay, so hopefully you have completed your starter. So I said to you, how many can you do in 10 minutes? Did you complete it in 10 minutes? All right. Okay, let's go through them then. What is the missing number? 18, 30, 36. What is it counting up in? Where do we see these numbers? We see them in our what times table, in our 6 times table. Excellent. So 18, oh my goodness me, I might need to take it down a step. 18, and then this one was 24. Okay, that one was 24, and then I can take down 18, 24, 30, 36, 32. So we had to take away 6. What is the missing number? Oh, this should be a nice, easy one. I think I'm going to take it down a tiny bit more of a font. 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 in there. All right. Round this number to the nearest hundred. So if we have got the number 2,167, 2,167, remember, when we're rounding to the nearest hundred, we look at our indicator number. This is the number that we're rounding to the nearest hundred. So it's in our hundreds column. So we look at this number here. Now this number here, is it telling us to go up or down? 6 is telling us to go up. So we need to change this number. We change it to the next one, which is then 2,000. I'm going to need to take it down a step again. 2,200. And then we don't need any other numbers apart from our zeros. What is 1,000 less than 1,465? Well, if we take away 1,000, what are we left with? 465. What is 6 less than 2? Oh, that's a tricky one because can we take away 6 from 2? We're going to go into what sort of numbers? We're going to go into what's called negative numbers. Good, so we've got 2. We're going to go 6 less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count back. 2, 1, 0. Here's 0 here. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, so one's minus 4 in there. What is the value of the 7 in the number 2,789? Good. Well, we knew that that was 7 hundredths. Write the number 90 in Roman numerals. Right, okay, so we know that 50 is L. Now we need to add some tens. 50, 60, 70. Oh, actually, instead of going 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and adding on a load of tens, instead we know that C is 100 and we need to do 10 take away 100. Yeah, so it's X and C. Right, 1,235. I'm going to draw my number line across here. I'm going to write 1,235. Now remember, our takeaway ones are always a little bit harder. Let's take away 600 first. Let's take away 100. Let's take away 600. 1,000 take away 600. We know that that is 400. Sorry, Miss Evans just wanted a quick think about that because that's really hard to do that. So instead, what we're going to do, I'm going to redo my number line, 1,235. I had a bit of a mind blank. So let's take away 200 first because that's going to make it easier for us. Let's then take away 200. Take away that 200 is 1,000 and what do we start on? 35. 1,035. Now we've already taken away 200. How do we get to 600? How many more do we need to take away? We need to take away 400. Good. That makes it nice and easy now. 200 add 400 is 600. So we're taking away that 600 there. That makes it a bit more easier now because we know that that's now 635. Now we're going to take away 20. It'll be nice and easy now. Take away 20 is 615. and then take away the 4, 614. All right. Okay, write the sum to check 3,128 add 854 equals 3,982. So in here, we're going to do an inverse sum. We're going to put in some operations to create our inverse. 3,982. What would we need to do? If they've added here, we need to do the opposite. So we need to take away 854 would get us to 3,182. So we're just doing an inverse sum. Okay, I have £5. I think I'm going to get rid of my workings here. I have £5. I spend £1.50, then £2.45. How much have I got left? Right, let's get our number line out. I spend £1.50, then £2.45. Now, if I was doing some mental maths, which I think we could probably do in our head, I would do £2.45, add £1.50. So let's add £1, so that makes it £3.45. Now let's add 50, so that would make it £3.95. So in total, he spent £3.95. Now remember, when we're doing when we're finding the change, quite often instead of doing a take away sum, which we could do, we'll round up. Now we did start this earlier on in the year, so we'll round up and we'll count how many it is to get to £5. So we've got £3.95. I could try and attempt to do my pound sign. How many do I need to get to £4? How many do I need to get? I need to add 5 pence. So I'm going to add 5 pence. That takes us to £4. Then I'm going to, how am I going to get from £4 to £5? I'm going to add £1. Excellent. How much have I got left? So I have to add this jump and this jump. Oh, goodness me, I've written the answer for you. So we have got £1, add 5 pence. I've got £1, 5 pence left. Okay. Good job. Well done for marking that through. Some of those were quite hard, so that we may have only covered in the first term. So it's good to have a recap. Excellent. Now watch the video to explain about line